In the last video of this car, I don't know if you remember me saying this, I'll post a link to that video up top, but there was a little bump here, somewhere here, that I said I could live with. And the only sign of any incident was that little dent there, which I can maybe live with. Turns out I couldn't. So I had to call a nice dent repair guy. He pulled it out. Video's right here.
Tu vois la petite patte là, on peut pas appuyer.
Ah oui.
On peut pas là-dessus. Là, elle tourne direct. Bon. Ouais, ça vient hein. Ça bouge hein. Mais c'est très long. On va essayer de faire remuer. Mais là j'ai déjà bien enlevé ça, tu vois. Là, il faut que je referme tout ça.
Il y a beaucoup de angles qui arrivent.
I think you'll agree it looks a whole lot better. If you like what we're doing, leave us a comment, give us a like, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, see you in the next episode.